start here. Now, see all that flashing black? This is a better way to see the channel siding. So the key here is you want to get the bleach around everywhere. Start, go down the flashing, come back up the flashing, go down the other side of the flashing, come back up to the edge right there as it abuts the flashing. Take it all the way down, come back up, again quickly across the vents, down as it abuts the left side of the flashing, all the way down, and then just go across left or right, all the way down. Get the bleach to touch everywhere. And when you're using the magic tip, it's actually knocking some of that as well. So in addition to getting the bleach on there, you're kind of coming at it with some aggression. Now I'm concentrating right in the middle of the channel. And that's shooting the bleach up and down. Same thing around the garage door, corner to corner. The key is touching every piece of surface area. Now what's the one thing I missed so far on this portion of the house? Looks like somebody kissed that garage, huh? I got this, but I didn't do the window. So I'm going to go around, and you can tell he's got his dad right there. And then, what I'm going to do, in addition to using the magic tip, is I'm going to just season the whole thing really good. Because this is going to make sure I'm not missing anywhere. Whereas the magic will get you the height, it'll get you the aggression. This little soaker will make sure you don't miss even an inch. Now again, you're worried that it's going to be killing everything? It's not. As long as you have enough water. Out of that machine right now, we're pulling 10% bleach, 9% water. Got the Donnie D there. Your hose, your pressure hose is the biggest nightmare of your job. Ooh, look at that little kiss right there. That's easy to miss. You want to soak it up in there. Now as you notice, I haven't been on a ladder yet. And I'm doing this whole house without a ladder. That's pretty nice. I'm moving pretty quickly too. See how much longer it'd be going if it was a ladder? Now the key here is the plant life. Boy, that can be a nightmare for you. Now a lot of people at this point, they'd be going real aggressive with like a white tip. And I'll show you a white tip later on, but what would inadvertently happen is you would kiss this plant at some point with the white tip, and you'd send all these red things onto that wall, and you would just create more work for yourself.